Have you ever noticed how price suddenly shoots up and then instantly wicks down? Those sudden moves are not random, they are often triggered by liquidation levels. A liquidation chart shows where many traders will get liquidated. A liquidation level can also act as temporary resistance. The yellow or pink-colored lines, depending on which version you are using, mark areas with liquidation risk. The brighter the line, the more liquidity sits at that price. This is why sudden moves often feel manipulated, but at the same time they fuel the market. Countless traders get liquidated here before they even realize what happened. Large traders and market makers closely track these levels, and later take advantage of them. Price is often pushed into high leverage zones where traders get wiped out. I once fell for these traps, thinking I was early, until I got liquidated and realized I was just their target. This is why it is crucial to understand liquidity levels before entering a position, and as shown on this 24-hour chart, entering at this moment is proven to be risky. Allow me to give you a quick piece of advice: never use leverage, especially if you are unable to accept your losses. One bad wick is enough to destroy an entire account. High leverage can punish even a small mistake. Most traders rely on Binance liquidation data. However, keep in mind that this only reflects liquidation activity on Binance itself. As you can see from the ranking on screen, Binance clearly leads in trading volume. If your platform is not supported, Binance data is still a reliable fallback. Just stay aware of which exchange the data comes from, and then shift your focus to how different timeframes reveal liquidity differently. Day traders often focus on lower timeframes to catch quick wicks, while swing traders like me prefer higher timeframes, since larger and more reliable liquidity clusters are typically built there. And do not forget, Bitcoin is not the only asset with this kind of data. Most top altcoins have their own liquidation charts, helping you spot similar patterns across markets. So you can apply the same logic to detect possible wicks, traps, and liquidity grabs across multiple coins. Catching these traps early is often the difference between surviving and being liquidated. Now tell me, do you think liquidation traps are easier to spot on lower or higher timeframes? Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.